What is going on, everybody? So it's been a while since I posted a video. This is just going to be an update. Let me tell you, I have 4 videos that are filmed, need to be edited. I'm going to work on those this coming week because, as you can see, it's raining and that's how it's going to be all week. But today is, I think it's the 22nd. I don't even know, 21st, whatever. Today was Waterfest. I was there. I really didn't post anything. I didn't have a car there, no big deal. But I did score a bunch of deals. I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to show you some little progress of what's going on with the car, and then the next 3 or 4 videos that are going to come out are going to be from before this, when I was doing all the work. So I do have content for you guys. I haven't left. I've just been a little busy. So Waterfest today. Waterfest was pretty good. I scored a couple deals. First thing I'll show you. I sold my headlights a while ago to get some money for the rest of the build. I was at Waterfest and I got some new headlights. They are glass, Hella headlights. They're real. They're nice. So that's one thing. I bought 3 things. I can't show you that yet, but I bought just a shift knob, just because I love the Black Forest Industries shift knob. I'm going for a really clean interior on the car, so that's going to be a plus. It's going to look really good in here. I'll do a video installing that. And the main thing that I bought, that I dropped a lot of money on, but I got a really good deal on, I got seats. I got bucket seats for the GLI, and I didn't cheap out. I got authentic Recaro buckets. They're fixed with the gloss black back. Very, very good condition. Only thing I need to do is get the cushion for this one and the other one. But other than that, the seats are in really good condition. They are, I forget which ones they're called, but the guys gave me the brackets and everything. And yeah, so here's the seat. Very nice. Could use a little cleaning. They sat in storage for a while. And I got the other one just chilling in there right now. So I am super hyped on these seats. It's something I really wanted. I was going to go a cheaper route just because these seats retail for $1,100 a piece without brackets and everything. I picked them up for $1,000. So that's awesome. I can't wait to get those things cleaned up, put in the car, and getting everything moving. I'm going to need a cage. I'm going to do the harnesses, a whole bunch of stuff. You'll see it all, don't worry. I'm not leaving you guys out. I'm still on YouTube. I haven't left. And with the motor, as you can see, the motor looks a lot cleaner than it did. Actually, you haven't seen anything. I have the motor on the stand anyway. You'll see in a future video. But it's all painted. Got a little bit of some parts on there. The head should be back very soon, within the next couple days. I got a Swoops stubby dipstick. Very nice. Going along with the shaved bay look. I painted my oil filter housing piece to match the block. Trying to hide everything as best as possible, keeping everything as clean as possible. But that's pretty much what's been going on lately. I've been in contact with the painter. I think that's going down next week, which is awesome. I've been waiting so long, you guys know that. I don't know if you could believe me if I tell you next week, because I've been saying that for a while, but I think it's happening. So that's awesome. And that's pretty much all I got going on. If you guys want to leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think, I am going to either be polishing or painting this stuff. So if you have any recommendations, I'm thinking polish most of it and get some of it powder coated gloss black to hide the rest that you don't really see or whatever. But let me know what you think. Do I polish this or get it powder coated gloss black? Same thing with these coolant lines here. That's what these are. These are coolant lines going to the oil cooler. Do I get them polished? Do I paint them black? What do I do with this? Just let me know what you guys think. Same thing with this. You haven't seen this yet. What do I do with the reservoir for my brake system? Let me know. Leave comments down below. Keep an eye out for the videos for the rest of the week. I got a whole month's worth of videos, and I'll add some more in between because I got a lot of parts coming. It's a lot of talking, but I'm aiming for 3 weeks to get this thing started. and we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and peace.